Hi, my name is Tete Jacob Richard and welcome to my calculator corner. Today, I will ask you a simple question. How will you feel if after finding the determinant of your 2 by 2 matrix and a 3 by 3 matrix and you are sure the answer is correct? So today we'll learn how to use the calculator to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and a 3 by 3 matrix. So we'll start things off with a 2 by 2 matrix. I must stress again that the calculator I'm using is FS991EX plus. So you go to mode on your calculator, then select 6. 6 represent matrix, so select 6. What's the name of this matrix? Is A. So A for matrix, 1 for matrix A, so press 1. Which type of matrix is this? You see, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So select 5 for 2 by 2. Now input all the entries. Press 2 and press equal to. -3, press equal to. 4, press equal to. Then -1, press equal to. When you are done inputting all the entries, press AC. Now press Shift and press 4. What do you want to find is the determinant. So the 7 represent determinant, DET, delt. So you press 7. Press Shift again and press Mode. What's the name of this matrix that we input? It's matrix A. So press 3. 3 for matrix A. Close the bracket and press equal to. So realize that the determinant of this matrix is 10. So we can say the determinant of A is equal to 10. We solve one more example on this so that you get a concept. So we'll solve another example. You can pause the video and see if you can do that. So go to mode on your calculator. Select 6. 6 for matrix, so 6. What's the name of this matrix? Is B. So 2 for matrix B. So I'll select 2. Which type of matrix is this? It's a 2 by 2. So 5 for 2 by 2. I'll press 5. Then I will input all the entries. I'll press this, press equal to. 2, press equal to. 23, press equal to. 8, and press equal to. If you are done inputting all the entries, press AC. Now press Shift again and press 4. See, 4 represent matrix. You can see matrix there. So we press 4. What are we finding? We need the determinant. So 7 for determinant. So press 7. What's the name of the matrix? So press Shift and press 4. The name of this matrix is 4. It was matrix 4, B. The name of this matrix is B. So we enter B. So 4 for B. Now press, close the bracket and press equal to. So you realize that the determinant of this matrix is 2. So we can say that the determinant of this matrix B is 2. We'll learn how to find a determinant for the 3 by 3 also. Okay, so let's learn how to find a determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So the same approach, press mode. 6 for matrix, so press 6. Then, what's the name of the matrix A? So select 1 for matrix A. Which type of matrix is this? This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So select 1 for 3 by 3. So 1. Now input all the entries. 2, press equal to. -3, press equal to. 1, press equal to. Another 2, press equal to. For the second row, 0, press equal to. Then 1, press equal to. Then the third row, 1 equal to. 4 equal to. Then 5 equal to. When you are done, press AC. Now press Shift and press 4. 4 for matrix. Now what are we finding? We need a determinant. So 7 for determinant, delt. So press 7. Press Shift again and press 4. Which matrix did we enter? Matrix A. So select A, 3. Close the bracket and press equal to. You realize that the determinant of this matrix is 27. So we can say the determinant of A is equal to 27. We'll solve a second example so that you know the concepts. So we'll solve the second example. The same approach, go to mode on your calculator and select 6 for matrix, so 6. What's the name of the matrix? Is matrix B. So select 2 for matrix B. Which type of matrix is this? This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So select 3 by 3, 1 for 3 by 3. Now enter all the entries or input the entries. 1, press equal to 2, press equal to another 2, press equal to for the first row, the first column. The second column 3, press equal to -2, press equal to, then 1, press equal to. So the third column 2, press equal to 1, press equal to, then -1, press equal to. When you are done, press AC. Now press shift and press 4 for matrix. What do you want to find the determinant? So press 7. Press shift again, press 4. Which type of matrix is that? Is matrix B. So press 4 for matrix B. Close the bracket and press equal to. You realize that the determinant of this matrix is 25. So we say the determinant of B is 25. I hope this will help. Please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to receive it. Until we meet again on my calculator corner. Bye-bye.